What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another episode of In the Kitchen with Retro. Got my ingredients out. I'm making just 2 ingredients, milk, and I got some chocolate mousse mix here. So that's what I'm making today, chocolate mousse. I love chocolate pudding, but I've never had mousse. I guess it's thicker. That's the only thing I've really heard about, the difference. So let me get the tripod set up. We'll get started. Okay, we're back here. So it's real simple. It just says 1 cup of milk. That's about as full as a cup I can get without it overflowing. I'll add just a tad bit, just a tad more, just to make sure. Yeah, I love me some chocolate pudding. My favorite snack as a kid growing up was chocolate pudding along with cheese and crackers, right? You didn't dip it or anything, you just ate it together. So there's our package of chocolate mousse mix. And for those of you maybe wondering what's playing in the background, it's the awesome 80s show Knight Rider. I know you said you liked that one, David, right? One of your favorites, one of mine too. Alright, so let's just dump it in here. Now I am going to whisk it by hand at first, you know, just to get it mixed in. And then after it is mixed in, then I'll break out the electric handheld mixer and we'll hit the turbos at that point, right? Because I think if I hit the turbos like right now, as soon as I put it in there, the powder might go flying, and I don't want that. Alright, I think that's mixed pretty good. Locked and loaded. Alright. Start out slow and... yeah, see, that's a lot better. Level 2. Alright, I'm going to hit the turbos and do this. It says it to whip it for about a few minutes. So I'm going to hit the turbos while I do that.
Industry 2000's microprocessor.
Alright, I think that's gonna do it, you know? Looks pretty good. Looks pretty thick. Let's spoon it up here. Well, I'm actually gonna put it in a wine glass. Just to be a little fancy, I guess. You know, mousse, right? Mousse is, it's supposed to be a fancy dessert, so I'm told. There we go, huh? Some chocolate mousse in a wine glass. Wine is cheaper than therapy. I thought that was funny. But yeah, let's just try this out and see what we got here. Alright, so there we go. Chocolate mousse. First time having it. No kidding. I know, right? Better late than never. Alright, so let's taste it out and see what we got. So you can see how thick it is there. It probably is thicker than pudding. Let's taste it out. Oh, wow. That is different than pudding. I'm going to go for another. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's like light and fluffier than pudding. Pudding's more like, I'm gonna say, dense and heavy. This is very light and airy, silky smooth, but also just a very nice flavor. I'm gonna say very balanced flavor. So I'm giving the chocolate mousse a thumbs up, and I'm gonna have to say, boom! I knocked out a Holby, even though I didn't do much. I just added milk and provided the mixing, right? Pretty good product, chocolate mousse. If you guys ever had this, let me know in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But if this is your first time to the channel, tap subscribe button, then the bell, ding ding, so you're notified when I upload the videos. So until next time, guys, keep it retro.